Crypto hardware wallets are often touted as the ultimate solution for securing your digital assets. But with so many options, how do you know which one is truly safe? Today, we're taking a close look at the ELLIPAL wallet and its security features. Is it the right choice for your crypto? The ELLIPAL is a cold wallet, which means it's designed to keep your private keys completely offline, away from the internet. The primary security promise of ELLIPAL is its air-gapped technology. It has no USB, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth. The device literally has no way to connect to any network. This makes it virtually impossible for hackers to steal your funds remotely through online attacks. So, how does it work? All communication happens through QR codes. You use the ELLIPAL mobile app to create a transaction, and the app generates a QR code. The ELLIPAL hardware wallet scans this code, signs the transaction offline with your private key, and then displays a new, signed QR code on its screen. The app then scans this QR code to broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. This two-way QR code system ensures your private keys never, ever touch an internet-connected device. Beyond being air-gapped, ELLIPAL wallets have a bunch of other security features. They have a sealed, tamper-proof metal casing. If someone tries to pry the device open, a self-destruct mechanism triggers, wiping all the data. This protects against what's known as a supply chain attack, where a bad actor might try to tamper with the device before it gets to you. The wallets also come with a secure element chip, which is an industry standard for protecting cryptographic keys. And for day-to-day use, you have multiple layers of authentication, including PINs and passwords. There's even a secret secondary wallet feature that you can set up with a different password, so you can show a decoy wallet if you're ever forced to hand over your device. Of course, no security system is foolproof, and ELLIPAL isn't without its critics. Some reviewers point out that the closed-source firmware makes it difficult for the community to verify its security. You have to trust that the company is doing what it says it's doing. Firmware updates are also a manual process using a microSD card, which some users find inconvenient. However, it's also part of the air-gapped design. Ultimately, ELLIPAL's focus on air-gapped security, combined with its physical anti-tamper features, makes it one of the most secure cold wallets available. While it might be a bit pricier and the update process more cumbersome than some competitors, the enhanced protection it offers is a major plus for anyone serious about securing their crypto for the long term. As always, remember to keep your seed phrase safe and offline, as that's your ultimate backup.